let's talk about one of the most requested altcoins today, which is none other than Pengu. I keep getting it on the live streams, I get it on the comments section, and also recently I got it on the Discord chat. So let's go over Pengu, and let me tell you something, guys. This chart is actually looking pretty explosive. Now I get it, people are getting impatient because, well, it's been consolidating for the past 45 days. In fact, we might be at that spot where Pengu actually reverses from here. What I'm seeing at this level right here that Pengu is currently on is massive bullish support. It might just be the best bid you can score. Now I get it, the market is uncertain owing to the fact that, well, everything is in a slump. In fact, if you look at fear and greed, guys, it's currently sitting at 41, leaning more bearish than bullish. People are doubting that the bull run even continues from here. Viewing this through an objective lens, I think this sees continuation because Bitcoin currently has broken out of a bullish pattern, and Bitcoin is the index of the entire crypto sphere. If Bitcoin's cycle continues, well, guess what? The altcoins can also continue on their rallies. This is not only broken out of a bullish channel, this is also now threatening to break out of this beautiful bullish head and shoulders pattern as well. And that Bitcoin rally could very well spark a domino effect on the altcoins, Pengu included in the mix. Now, before I tell you why this could very well be the bounce zone, guys, if you want me to start covering more Pengu on the daily videos, make sure to hit the sub and the bell icon. That's the only way I know that you guys are interested. And also, if you're looking to catch the bid that I'm about to present, I want to tell you guys about the money at the corner of the room. Blowfin right now is literally giving you 15% cash back on your deposits. This is big. This is going to help you buffer against any loss that you take. If you lose on a trade, guess what? You're not losing your money, you're going to be losing the house's money. And if Pengu actually starts rallying to the upside, that cashback is going to make sure that you are winning more than you otherwise would have. Now, you can only qualify for the cashback if you use the link in the description below. And hey, if you're going to be trading a lot, there are also some amazing prizes that you can win, ranging from a MacBook Pro, an iPhone 16, all the way up to a Rolex. So definitely check it out. Now, here's why I think Pengu is sitting on a massive opportunity zone, a massive bid zone wherein we could actually see the next rally stem from. Currently, we're sitting right on top of a bullish FVG. And guys, this is a macro region of support. Not just that, if you guys get onto the dashboard and filter out Pengu from the list right here, we got shorts across the board. Now, short is bearish, right? But check out the volatility, guys. Volatility on the 4-hour flashing red. Okay, when I see red volatility, I'm saying the bears are heading into the zone of exhaustion. It's only when they get exhausted that the bulls can actually take over. More importantly, we've had a bearish trend now for days on end, 10 days. And you know how much the bears were able to push this down by? 2.6%. It's very lackluster for the amount of time the bears actually had to push this down. This is showing a struggle on the bearish end. So what I'm going to be watching out for here on Pengu is for the 4-hour trend to flip long. I want to see this turn green, because that's going to give us the first tip in that, okay, Pengu is ready for reversal. At which point you're looking for that long trend to cascade on over to the 12-hour, on over to the daily time frame. So if you guys want to keep up with the trend flip, make sure you're actually hitting the alert button right there, okay? That way, if you're out and if you're not on the charts, you get alerted via email telling you that, hey, Pengu's trend has now flipped, watch out. But there's more to this, guys. If you click on the chart button right there, I want you guys to get on over to the 4-day time frame. Now, for those of you who have free TradingView accounts, 4-day is not available to you, but it is free on the Mango dashboard, so go ahead and check it out. Now, here's why I think we're sitting on a major bid level. Not only do we have a bullish FVG on here, like I showed you on the chart. In fact, if you do not know how to draw that in, you can actually toggle it on right here. The dashboard does it for you. We're currently sitting on a bullish FVG, which is an entire zone of support, as well as we're also sitting on the 21 exponential moving average. So now we're seeing multiple regions of support actually line up where price is currently at. And to add to this mix, yes, there is one more region of support swinging in right here. We also have the 4-day Ichimoku conversion line. Those of you who use the Ichimoku cloud indicator, you guys know just how powerful of an indicator this is. So now we also have the conversion line swinging in right through right there. This is to say there's a lot of confluence on this right here being the bounce zone for Pengu. Through a trader's lens, guys, this right here is more of a buy opportunity because it's going to be so easy to manage the trade. And if we see continuation, we are looking at all-time high for Pengu, primarily owing to this massive cup and handle formation breakout that has not yet met its measured move. Because this would take Pengu all the way up to 8 cents. From where price is at right now to 8 cents, that's going to be another 186% to the upside. Don't let fear cloud your judgment. This right here is opportunity. Now, of course, we're going to be following the Pengu trade on the Discord chat, so I'll be seeing you guys in there. But hey, if you want more Pengu analysis videos, make sure you're hitting the sub and the bell icon, because that's the only way I know that you want more. Now, with this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.